Are you all ready for spring and summer, but you want to avoid the bugs too? And the high price of insect repellent without DEETs? Well, my name is Amanda and I'm from the Wild Herbal, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own insect repellent that works just like the ones with DEET. The first thing you're going to need is an amber glass jar to put your insect repellent in, a little spray bottle, some infused oil, some witch hazel, and then some essential oils of choice. Some of the ones that I really like are Virginia cedarwood, rosemary, lemongrass, citronella. Another essential oil that I really like is called Simply Earth, and it's bug fighter, and it has patchouli, lemongrass, and cedarwood already mixed together. So if you don't already have a lot of essential oils and you'd rather just buy one, this one from Simply Earth is really good. I'm going to make 20 ounces of bug spray because we go through a lot of bug spray. There's a lot of woods around here. Sorry y'all, we had some difficulties with the video, but I added 16 ounces of this witch hazel. It is 86% witch hazel and the rest is alcohol. And then I also added 4 ounces of infused oil, and the infused oil is parsley, cedar, eucalyptus, and rosemary. If you do not know how to make an infused oil, you can check this card right up here and you can learn how to make an infused oil with that. And I know parsley is kind of a weird ingredient in there. There is some science that says that mosquitoes are driven to certain vitamin B deficiencies, and they do not like the smell of parsley. So parsley infused oil has worked really well for us as a repellent. Then the next thing I did, I added 20 drops of rosemary into here. I added 30 drops of citronella, added 20 drops of lemongrass, 10 drops of cedarwood. These are all oils that you typically find in a normal insect repellent that I really like the smell of it, and it seems to work really well. So after I add into this jar my witch hazel, infused oil, and all of my essential oils, I'm gonna take it and shake it up. Now, if you have a really nice amber glass spray bottle, that would be awesome to use at this point. So then I'm gonna take this after I shake it up and add it into my little spray bottle. Now, I do like to make this quite oily because I have found that when I use more oil, that it tends to stay on my kids' skin longer. And the store-bought bug sprays that I tend to like better are the ones that have a lot more oil. So if you notice here, when you spray this, it sprays really well, but it has that oil, so it doesn't all just evaporate really quickly. It stays on the skin really well. And you can actually even add more oil than that too. You could do 16 ounces of witch hazel and 16 ounces of infused oil and do it half and half. You just want to make sure that if you're going to introduce water, some bug sprays do have water, you need to keep your water under 40% of your ratio, or if not, it'll mold and it won't be shelf stable. So then you're going to take this and you're going to put it in your spray bottle. You can put it in your car, it's ready to go, but you also want to label it. So I made this label, and it has the name of what it is, the bug spray, and it also has, on this label, it also has the ingredients. And I'm gonna stick it on this jar. So if you are interested in getting a label like this that's already done for you and a printable recipe so you know exactly what I did, in the description box, I have a subscription link that you can subscribe to my newsletter, and every week I'll send out the video of the week as well as a printable label and also a printable recipe card that you can add to a little book of herbs or somewhere where you can keep your recipes as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I would love to hear how this recipe went and where you guys are going to be going this summer. Thank you.